This is an oxygen concentrator machine. In this oxygen concentrator machine, this is the monitor which displays the pulse rate and oxygen saturation. This is the knob in which you can regulate the oxygen flow per minute. This is up to 5 liters per minute. This is the container which has water. There is a mark here, maximum level of water and minimum level of water which should be maintained. This outlet is for oxygen. Here the tube which draws the oxygen is connected, and this point is the outlet for nebulization. The nebulization tubings are to be connected here. This oxygen concentrator has a remote control, and now I want to tell you that here there is a pulse oximeter attached here. Here the oxygen saturation can be measured by this pulse oximeter. Now let me show you the concentrator in other directions. Here this oxygen concentrator has wheels on all the 4 points, and you can pull or you can rotate. So now I will stabilize this, so I will put the brake. Now let's on the oxygen concentrator and see how it operates. As I said, here is the on and off switch here. I will on it, and then let's see how the oxygen concentrator works. Now I have switched on. The display is lighted up. Here you can see the water bubbles are coming up. So first of all, let me check my oxygen saturation through this pulse oximeter. This is the pulse oximeter that is attached. I'll put my middle finger and let's check the display screen. Let's wait for a minute. You can see as I put my finger inside the pulse oximeter, the oxygen saturation there, it is showing 97, 98 and 99%. So I am doing well. So after I have checked my saturation, I'll put this back in its position. Now I will connect the oxygen tube to the outlet of the oxygen concentrator through which the oxygen will be coming out to deliver to a patient. So here I have connected the tube to the oxygen outlet, so I can hear oxygen is coming out. I can adjust it, just the oxygen flow through this knob. I can adjust it. Now I will make it up to say 4 liters, 5 liters per minute of oxygen flow. To unlock it, through this outlet point, I have connected the tube for nebulization. Here, the nebulization medicines can be placed here along with water and connected. This knob you have to place it properly, otherwise you may lose it. So I keep here. Here the solution like salbutamol, ipratropium bromide or any other drug which is advised for nebulization can be placed here with the water and make a solution, and one can then nebulize it. There will be a nebulizing mask here, so that is to be placed here for nebulization. Be operated for patients who are having mild to moderate breathing difficulties like 5% or 90% oxygen saturation, and those who need the oxygen in home, or for moderate patients in hospital. This oxygen concentrator will be very helpful when the oxygen cylinders are not available in the market